These are the Sanag S6S True Wireless Open-Ear Earbuds. And in full transparency, these earbuds were provided to me by Sanag Corporate to make this review. Included in the package, we have some informational booklets, charging cables, a VIP card, but here are the earbuds themselves. A nice matte finish that do not pick up fingerprints easily, a very unique design made to clip onto the outside of your ear. And looks like these are seated magnetically. There appear to be 3 microphones per earbud for enhanced AI calling.
And this is an audio test of the S6S True Wireless Stereo Open-Ear Earbuds. As I'm wearing them, the open-ear experience is pretty good. The reflections are a little bit different based on their open-ear style, but the open-ear format is actually pretty good and the pressure on the ear is minimal.
And it looks like these are quite ductile to form to many different ear types. And their clamping force is really gentle, running on Bluetooth 5.3 and boasting 7 hours of battery life individually and another 30 plus hours in the case. By scanning the QR code included in the box, you can download their application, and after creating an account, you can pair your earbuds. The connectivity is very responsive, and in the app we have the ability to change the different preset button controls and the EQ. And coinciding with other earbuds in this category, it does have individual earbud tone location. Inside the app, there are also sections for sleep modes, different AI segments where you can test out different AI models, which is very unique to see in an earbud app. But as you can see here, you can interact with AI models like DeepSeek V3 and others. But it does appear that these AI features are based on a token limit, and I'm unsure if this is a by-month refresh or if this is how many tokens you get by lifetime. But if you use the included VIP card, it appears that we do get extra credits included with our purchase. The app does appear to be fairly robust, but after having it open for a while, I started to notice different features popping up that did not apply to my earbuds. This key operation segment, the FM radio, all of these different features were not native to my earbuds and they did not seem to function. Now, this did clear up when I restarted the application, but it is odd to see artifacting like this in an app that appears to be so broad-based. But these are the Sanag S6S True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds are extremely lightweight, coming in only at 3.5 grams each per earbud with an IPX4 water-resistant rating and a 1-year warranty. The sound quality of these is surprisingly good for an open-ear earbud, with their dynamic 10mm drivers, and they do some fancy stuff in software to provide a very unique surround sound experience. For me, one of the things I really appreciated about these earbuds is the ability to only use one ear at a time, which, since these do not have wear detection, was not a problem, and my ears did not feel overly stimulated or sore after wearing these for long periods of time. One thing I was very surprised by was how quickly that they connect to my phone. In the time it takes to get the earbud out of the case and into my ear, they have already paired. While this has not replaced some of my more expensive earbuds, it has become one of my daily carry items, and I did end up syncing this to my desktop and my laptop, and the latency wasn't long enough for me to really notice. Overall, these earbuds are pretty decent for the price and provide a very unique listening experience. Though one of the things that might be an issue for some users is the volume. I personally really enjoy listening to my music at lower volume levels, but I know not everyone does. And Sanag has made it a specific feature that these earbuds do not get super loud, and it's proudly part of their marketing material. So if you're intending to work in a noisy environment, these may not be the best for you. However, if you're in a corporate office or driving environment where you want to hear your music but still be able to hear the things around you, these earbuds do not have a noticeable impact on your environmental or spatial awareness. So if this style of earbud is something that you might want to check out, I'll leave a link down in the description below, and let me know what you think of this style of earbud.